Hello, we are here at the Reuters Momentum AI Summit in San Jose, California. I'm Andalucia K. Soloff, and I am here with Bernardo Gutierrez, the head of sales at Contents. Welcome.
Thank you very much. It's great to be here. Super interesting conferences, and we've met a lot of interesting folks, so great event.
Great to have you here. Can you tell me a little more about what you do at Contents?
Yeah, so Contents is an AI-powered content generation platform for enterprise companies. We help companies make content 10 times more effective, efficient, and create the content 10 times faster, right? By using generative AI and training our platform on our big customers' brand voices.
Okay, so Gen AI, that's the big term.
Yeah, big
both
buzzword.
At the big buzzword, the big conference. I myself only learned the difference between AI and Gen AI this week. But okay, so within generative AI, what is content orchestration and how is it different from traditional content platforms?
Yeah, great question. So traditional content platforms powered by AI, for example, you've heard of ChatGPT, of course, right? Or Claude, right, by Anthropic. The way we stand out here, these platforms are the traditional ones, they're already pretty commoditized. So what I mean by that, they've already eaten a big portion of the market. Where we believe the true difference lies is in using and leveraging these technologies and to building specific use cases that are more relevant for large enterprise companies, right? So they can do it faster and easier with a super centralized workflow.
So here at this conference, we have a lot of companies that are just starting to implement AI into their workplace. So say I'm a company and I'm like, well, I know how to use ChatGPT a little, and we use that for some of our content creation. What advantages does Contents have for a company like mine, and how would that really help our social media presence?
Of course, that would be a very, very centralized workflow, right? That will make your life much easier if you had a platform where you could just access, right? And without having to prompt it, let's say you wanted to create a blog article. You click on the blog article post, and the platform, the important part, is already trained on your branding guidelines, your own tone of voice, and your brand voice. So it knows everything that has to do with your company and the way that you communicate to your customers and send your message. And we also bring in the technology from the traditional content AI-powered platforms, such as an OpenAI, right? So what we do here is that you are able to create very effectively and in a much quicker time, very large volumes of content that have your own brand voice. And it's much easier to do.
What tangible impact have you seen on the KPIs of companies using your services? And what are the key benefits that they have experienced?
Yeah, so I'd start with cost savings, right? They can save a lot of time and a lot of money by using our platform because they can create 10 times more content than they were previously able to do so. So for example, also organic reach is also a super important metric for most of our enterprise brands. Because brands across the board, they've been able to see between 15 or even 50% increase year over year in organic reach. Because we produce, and the platform enables them to produce SEO optimized content for organic reach.
Let's get a little more into specifics. Can you share some case studies or concrete examples of how Gen AI has helped to optimize specific processes or maybe just improve the overall performance of companies that are working with Contents?
Yeah, of course. We work with a lot of large companies across the board and in different industries, right? Our biggest sectors are retail, e-commerce, banking industries, or advertising agencies. One I can think of right now is we work with one of the largest supermarket retailers in the UK. What they used to do before us was, they were working with different teams in different time zones with different firms, and they were using all these different tools, right? We connected our platform into all of their customer management system tools, or CMS. That way, they were able to not jump in between different platforms and collaborate within a single platform, where the team can approve, disapprove the process. They can use internal linking. They can use task assignment. Their entire product descriptions and category descriptions were made automatically with our tool. Again, using their own brand voice and their own guidelines. So their SEO performance improved significantly, and we saved them a lot of time.
That's incredible that Contents can help with all of those different aspects of the industry. So what are you looking forward to this year? What do you have ahead of you?
We've had a great year already, right? At the beginning of the year, we raised our Series B, which was super exciting for everybody. And we're looking to break into the US market more than we have already had. And we're trying to penetrate more market in Latin America as well. And we've been growing a lot in our main offices in Europe, and we're growing our team as well. So we want to enhance our product, enhance our technology, and grow our team of experts.
That's great. Thank you so much for joining me here today, and the best of luck to you.
Thanks so much. Great to be here.